Good evening, students. Welcome in computer class. Dear students, today we are doing the practical of logo, chapter number 5. So here I am showing you the practical of logo commands, and the commands are HT, higher turtle, ST, show turtle, then PU, pen up, then PD means pen down, then PE, pen eraser, then repeat command. Dear students, I'm showing you these commands through practically one by one. So you watch these, how I'm showing you how I'm doing the practical in logo. So here, this is the home of the turtle. This is the home of the turtle. So the home of the turtle, that is the center of the screen. So it is placed always, that this is called the turtle, and turtle is always placed at the center of the screen. So here, this is the command window and this is the drawing window. The upper portion is, that is the drawing window, and the lower part is command window where we are typing the commands. Okay, so firstly I am writing here pen. Suppose here I am writing first command is HT. I am writing here HT. HT stands for hide turtle. Dear students, you watch this here. Earlier here the turtle is appear at here. When I am writing HT, then after that I am executing this command. Then you watch this, the turtle is now disappear. So st means hide turtle. The function of the st command means the turtle is now hide from the screen. Now, if we want to show the turtle, then we have a command that is st. So here I am writing st, and after that I'm executing this command. So here I'm clicking on the execute. Now you watch that the turtle is now again appear on the drawing window. So this is the function of the show turtle. ST stands for show turtle. So here the next command is PU. PU means pen up. The function of the pen up command, students, the function of the pen up command means when we are writing anything, then the turtle will move, but don't show anything. This command lift the pen up. This command will move the turtle but will not draw anything on the screen. When we are using the PU command, then this command just show that the turtle will move but doesn't draw anything. Suppose here I'm just writing this command PU. Okay, then after that I'm executing this command execute. Okay, then after that here I'm writing FD50. Then now you watch, the turtle will move but doesn't draw anything. Again here I'm writing RT. RT stands for right turn. Suppose right turn I'm writing 70, but the turtle will move. The direction of the turtle just move, that is of 70-degree, but the turtle doesn't draw anything. This is the function of the pen up. Suppose we are using the pen up command, then after that we must use the pen down, PD command. PD, here I'm executing this command PD. Now I'm writing here FD 50. Now you watch, then the turtle just move and draw a line, that is FD50. Again I'm writing FD50. Okay, now the turtle will move again. So this is the function of the PD command. PD means pen down. After that, students, suppose here I'm draw anything. Suppose here I'm writing RT. Suppose 60. After that I'm writing FD 80. Then RT 80. Then FD 89. Okay, then suppose LT, it is your choice, you draw anything. LT, then after that FD, it is your choice, you draw anything. I'm just drawing anything. So it is depend upon you, whatever you want, which type of shape you want. Then according to that, you just uh, press or you just use any command. Even FD stands forward, then LT, left turn, right turn, if even any way. Next command, that is students, that is the repeat command. Suppose here we have the command that is a repeat command. So the function of the repeat command is that it repeat the number of times the commands. It repeat the commands how many times, means number of times, whatever we want. Suppose here I am writing repeat, R-E-P-E-A-T, repeat. Then here I am writing 4 times. So here I am writing 4. Then after that I am pressing the angle bracket. Dear students, angle bracket is present on your keyboard after P. P is alphabet. After P alphabet, the angle bracket is appear. So I am pressing this angle bracket and here I am writing which command? I am writing suppose FD command, FD 50. Then I'm closing this, then this. So here, as you see, as you watch that now the turtle just move 4 times. Just repeat the FD command 4 times. So the turtle just move 4 times with 50 steps. So students, this is the, again I'm using the repeat command. I'm again writing the repeat, R-E-P-E-A-T, repeat 4 times. Which command? Whatever we want. Suppose here I'm writing left turn, left RT, RT command, RT 50. Okay. Then the turtle just move right side. Here you have seen the turtle. Here you have seen the turtle. Again I am writing repeat, repeat 4 times. Which command? Suppose uh, RT. How many times? How many steps? 50. Then now you watch that the turtle just move to the right direction. So next command, next and last command, students, that is PE. PE means pen erase. This command works like an eraser. PE stands for pen erase. It's just like an eraser. Suppose here I'm writing PE. You move this, you just watch this PE, then suppose after that, after PE means pen erase, after that I'm writing here PFD 50 or 70. Okay, now the turtle will move, but doesn't draw anything, doesn't draw anything. Suppose here I'm showing you the turtle just move but doesn't draw anything. This is the function of the pen erase command. Pen erase just like an eraser. So dear students, why this way we are doing the practical of logo commands. So that's all for today. Then in the next video, we are just reading these commands and the exercises, the question and the assignment. We have discussed these exercises and the chapter in the next video, and this is all of your chapter number 5 practical. So thank you.